So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Paytm Share. So previously, when we've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So today, we'll try to find out what are the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we get into the technical part, if you try to analyze the day-to-day wise deliveries, so clearly we can see on 13th June 29.3% deliveries were present, and if we try to compare that with the previous day's trading sessions, so clearly we can see a flat percentage is maintained and slightly increment in delivery percentage is also present. But firstly, if we talk about the market situation, so we know still that volatile move is continuing. Yesterday we have seen a very big fall in the market. Today a slight recovery is there, but that is also not satisfactory, because anytime again markets may start reversing in the downside direction. So you need to be very cautious, especially if you are planning to do any sort of long-term investing. You need to be very choosy related to the stock selection. So Paytm is little volatile stock, but not recommended at current levels. We'll do the technical analysis, but try to pick stocks which are fundamentally strong. So don't go for random small and mid cap companies, because during this phase of bearish market, so all the small and mid cap companies will show greater fall as compared to large cap companies. So you need to be very cautious. So now let's go to the technical chart. Both on weekly chart and daily chart, we'll try to observe the next possible levels. Okay, so firstly, if you try to observe the weekly chart of the Paytm, so clearly we can see a range movement is present. So what is the range that the stock is currently following? So the upper resistance is somewhere around 700 rupees level, and the lower support is somewhere around 500 rupees level. So the stock is traveling between these two zones since the past few weeks, and you can also keep these levels in radar. So any direction, if a breakout is happening, you need to observe it. So currently just watch the stock, because if it is coming to that 500 on a perfect closing basis, you can take an entry. If not, further downside also may be possible. So that is on long-term support basis, and long-term resistance is around 700. So only above 700 we can go for a buying, right? So this is on weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so now if you try to observe the daily chart, so daily chart is little bit volatile. As you can see, initially it has formed a double bottom. After that it has gone up, but again it has started taking that reverse direction. So next immediate support is going to be the 550, followed by the ultimate level, as I told, is 500. So if you want to invest, if you want to take a risk, so then only keep these levels in radar. So if not, it is clearly avoidable. And if you are a safe investor and if you want 100% confirmation, then only above 700 rupees level it is going to be a buy in Paytm. So until then, you can patiently observe these levels. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.